Basta I'm from the Philippines, yun na yun. Wag mo nang alamin yung iba. Hi, Stephen. Welcome back. Stephen. German. You're German. Good. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Did I say it right? Mesa. Ewan ko sa'yo, Bis. Para namang, oh my gosh! I think I can be German because of that. And in France, you speak French, right? French. Um, what's a French word that I know? I don't normally, yes. But like, what other languages do you guys speak? If not French, Italian, Italian. Hi, Rocky. Oh, wow. Really? What's up, Rocky? Hi, Tony. ID number, hello. Malak. Hi, Malak. Balak kasi pala to. Oh my gosh. What the hell? Scary. Hi, number 1099204265. Hi, DJ Dookie. Hi, everybody. Mistake, for how long have you been here and how old are you? Also you, Stephen, since you're the only two who's interactive. Hi, Mikey. Tomek is also interactive, but Tomek is mema. Hi, Faj. How do you say this? Fajze? Guten Morgen. Dame, hello. It depends on my mood. Oh, sup? What's up, dude? What's up? What are you guys up to? What do you guys do for a living? Like I'm curious to every people who like has a lot of spendings here. What do you guys do? No, you're not. Don't say that.